Hi guys, so in this video let us understand top 5 reasons to choose actuarial science. So the first reason, as you can see on the screen, high earning potential. एक्चुरियल की डिमांड इतनी ज़्यादा बढ़ रही है, बीट इन इंडिया, बीट आउटसाइड इंडिया, that there is lot of potential to grow, that whether you are giving exams from IFO or you are giving exams from II, for every exam that you clear you get increment on the job, and for every exam that you clear when you are till the time you are not employed, basically it lands up more and more placement opportunities. So you have high earning potential, and the salary scale is also discussed in one of the videos. So at the starting salary of the fresher with just 3 to 4 exams cleared right now is 10 to 12 lakhs, and it increases with every exam that you clear. And once you become full-fledged actuary with 5 to 7 years of experience, the package can go to 60 plus as well. So it all depends on the companies that you are employed in, it all depends on the countries, it all depends on your work profile as well. But yes, definitely high earning potential is one of the biggest factor that motivate you to join this profession. Now apart from the high earning potential, another reason for joining this profession is strong career stability and demand. Demand is increasing at many-fold rate, because right now actuaries are not just limited to insurance. We work in insurance, we work in pension, we work in consulting, we work in banks. So be it global demand, be it domestic demand, it is increasing at manifold rate, and current supply is not matching with the demand. That's why the career is stable and the career prospects are too high. And it is not just limited to only theory, maths or stats, it is limited to application of maths and stats. So basically you have to apply your mathematical and statistical skills. So if you are good with maths and stats, then instead of other profession, definitely choose actuarial science as one of the option that you can explore, and then after exploring you can decide whether this fits you or not, because the profession demand is also increasing, profession has high earning potential, and application of maths and stats knowledge is there. And one of the biggest revolution of this profession is that it's a globally acceptable career. So चाहे आप एग्जाम्स इंडिया सोसाइटी से निकालो, चाहे आप एग्जाम यूके की सोसाइटी से निकालो, चाहे आप किसी भी सोसाइटी से एग्जाम्स निकालो, बेसिकली एग्जाम्स आर वर्ल्ड वाइड रिकॉग्नाइज. इंडिया सोसाइटी के एग्जाम्स आप इंडिया से बाहर भी जाते हो तो भी दे आर रिकॉग्नाइज. सो नो वन कैन टेक योर नंबर ऑफ एग्जाम्स क्रेडिट फ्रॉम यू. सो इट्स अ ग्लोबली एक्सेप्टेबल करियर, नॉट कन्फाइंड टू ओनली योर डोमेस्टिक कंट्री, एंड देयर इज नो डिग्री बैरियर. जैसे CA और CFA में काम करने के लिए वी रिक्वायर अ सर्टेन डिग्री, आपको क्वालिफाइड CA होना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पर यू कैन स्ट्रेट अवे स्टार्ट इवन इन क्लास 11th, और यू कैन स्टार्ट विद योर एक्चुअल स्टडीज एंड जस्ट क्लियर 5 to 6 एग्जाम्स. जस्ट ग्रेजुएशन इज रिक्वायर्ड as per the maths honors, stats honors, eco honors, BCom honors. This is preferable, and along with graduation, aim that till the time you are completing your graduation, you have 5 to 6 exams with you and definitely land up to a good job. As such, there is no degree barrier, so you can start very early. So these are some of the common reasons that we advise students to check for when choosing actuarial science as a profession. We will be coming up with more videos on the way, so stay tuned to our channel. Do not forget to subscribe or like. Thank you. Happy learning.